So from the open chords, how we come to the closed chords and kind of to the bar chords, which are movable actually. So there will be two types of shapes. Non-movable, which are open strings, which have open strings in it. But we'll convert them to movable. Okay? And we'll take the reference from the open chords and come to the movable and see how we make it. This can be tricky, what I'm saying right now. It will make more sense once you start playing with me. Step number one, play all the open chords. Example, let's start with A.
A.
Alright, I'm going in a sequence. Show me. How do you play A chord? First, always arpeggiate. Check the quality. String number 4, second fret. 3, first fret. String 1. Second on the G. First on the C. Open, open E, and open A. A chord. I will not go into detail of arpeggio right now. Arpeggio notes, why A? Okay, you have done that previously with me sometime. A, C sharp, E is the arpeggio, but then I'm just leaving for that for now. All focus is on the chord shapes, and you know how you can come up with all the chords. Let's see. A. Now let's convert. Let's move up A chord and make all the 12 majors, only majors.
Okay.
First of all, in the A chord, I'll switch my fingers. I won't change, I'll change the fingers. I'll use the second finger here and the third finger here. Nothing changes in sound, or the quality of the chord. Stop it. Okay, A. Now I'll move up by 1 fret and add the index finger as a bar chord or just these 2 strings. Mini bar, complete bar, doesn't matter. In guitar, I like to call it full bar and mini bar. In ukulele, it's almost same thing, but strings are lesser. Look, you have been recorded. Stop doing that. You are on YouTube right now, already. All right, A chord and then A sharp. Incorrect. You messed up. Yeah. All right. A. The next word is Ash.
Ash.
What is Ash?
A sharp.
A sharp, called Ash. I like to call it Ash. It's not specified in any books, any material. Why Ash? Short form, abbreviated. Why? Because at times you go very fast. You don't have time to call sharp. A, H, B, C, D, Dish, E. Can go faster than this. Then short forms are good. Alright? Now, let me know the next chord.
The next chord is B. No, wait, B.
Let's start again. Go slow, okay? Start A.
A.
H. Wait.
H.
H. Very commonly called B flat. You will not find A sharp chord, okay? You will always find B flat for some theoretical reasons or in the context of the scales. Okay, B flat. A sharp, I don't see in most cases, or maybe not at all. So B flat. A, B flat, B,
B.
and then C.
E.
A very common chord in guitar called a G. You don't know guitar, so no need to bother about that. Okay? So G over there, it's a C here. Oh, circle of 4. Forget it. So this is C. Very commonly C chord in ukulele. And that's another way to play C. So C like this, C like this. Let's continue. Sish, sharp, sish. I still call it a
Diff.
diff. Explain diff.
Diff is B. D flats.
D flat. So diff. After C sharp maybe okay, but diff maybe more. Diff. And then D. And then also, you know what? If E flat, and then E, F, G flat, G, G. We don't go that far generally, okay? G flat, and then A, sorry, G. A flat, and then A. Ooh, I'll keep it open this time. Only open strings allowed in A. Confusing. That's A. Can't do it really. I'll just play open. Shape 1. A.
Yeah.
So what about the B shape?
The
It
B
does not have a
shape.
shape. So there is no B shape of itself because B was derived from A itself. A, B. No B shape, okay? Now
Okay.
C shape, yeah. C shape, open chord. You got to close it down to make it the C sharp or a D flat. You have to stop scratching your skin. You're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube right now. Avoid scratching.
Okay.
People are watching you. Okay? Now, this chord is C. C sharp. So C, pinky finger C, and pinky finger moves up, bar chord adds into the first fret. So I'm
Okay.
playing a G1, C1, E1, and A4. G, C, E, A, by the way, the names of the strings. You got to memorize them. Name the strings, come on.
G, C, E, A.
Excellent. Tell me the fret numbers of this chord. G1.
G1, C1, E1, and A4.
Excellent. What's the name of the chord again?
C sharp,
Excellent. What's the other name?
diff, or D flat.
D flat. Excellent. C or D? C sharp or D flat. So we entered a D flat. Now this one is a movable chord. I can move it across the board and transpose and call out the
Okay.
names. Okay? D flat and D. And then dish or if, E flat. And then E. I'm gonna be look fast. F. F sharp or J. And G. And Jish or F. And then A. Oh, and stop now. Ash or beef. And then what? A B. I won't go any further on this. So I can go because C again. So I take it here and play the open. C. You don't need a bar chord. C originally started here. And if I take it to the 15th fret here, tricky, but that's C. I can add a bar on the 12th. Two shapes, A and no B shape, C. And now coming to the D. So D was this bar chord open, but D could have been open simply like this. I don't use this shape much to go up. No space left. But if I have to do, I'll have to do E like this or a D sharp. But this shape is not really great to play. Small frets. Okay for guitar, but not for ukulele. So becomes a D sharp or E flat. D for if. D or if. Then comes E.
Okay.
So complex. No one will use it this way. If you didn't get it, I'll show you. We take the D. We leave the A string open. Now I'll tell you G second, C second, and E second. Whoa. Or hold it like this. Crazy.
Wait.
Second, my uke is moving. Second, second, and second.
Okay.
Crazy shape, and then, and if I move it up, so this becomes a D, dish, E, F, F, or G, G, G sharp or A flat, and then A. Not doable. I'll only use it for the partial chord. Partial chord means I will use it for probably 3 strings max. So I'm not gonna play the fourth or the G string in any of these. I'm gonna be playing string number 3, 2, 1 or C, E, A string. There's a song you have done to play these things now. Now I'll use this and I use this. Dish or if. No, you didn't get it?
Is it like this?
Yeah, D. 220, 220. And now 331. Fret number 3, 3, 1. Oh, you're too confused today. Now.
Okay, yeah, 331.
3, 3, 1, yeah. This is what chord? D sharp
Sharp.
or
Or wait, a E flat.
E flat. Play this. So start with the D, then dish or if, and then the E chord. Remember only 3 strings, okay? F, F, F sharp, very common. G flat also, F sharp common. G, love this G here. This G is fine. This G, a lot of us to press G, G, G. Okay, this G right now. Jish or F, A, Ish or Biff, B. Tired, head is getting tired. C. Okay, not putting reference, getting reference C. So we have done A shape, C shape, D shape. What about the E shape? Tell me.
E shape.
We don't have it. Usually we don't have an E shape here.
Yep.
E is derived, usually that's a D and that's E. E is derived from the D or E is derived from C shape. C, D, E. Look at the derivations. There are more details to it. I'll teach you more advanced things in certain grades when you have crossed grade 4. How to really locate the chords and quickly and identify octaves and unitions. But right now, let's just go ahead. So we did a D and we came to E. Then we did a C chord and we did a D, we did a E. So E chord derived from this. Or I will say we did a A, B, C, D, E. Your homework will be to find same chord in multiple ways.
Okay.
For example, I'll say, give me C chord in all the ways. Let's see. So we'll say start with A shape. A, B, C. So A shape, C chord. Oh, tricky that can be. A shape, C chord. A, B, C, A shape, C chord. Then C has its own shape. C has its own shape, which is, you know that well. Then I take the D chord. Now this can be very challenging. If I take a D chord, sorry, D chord I'm doing here. So D, and I come to a C chord. Alright? E, F, G, A, B, C. Very far. I will not go that far, but that's possible. So A shape done.
B
C
shape
shape
done.
done, D shape done. E doesn't have its own shape, derived kind of from the D. Now we come to the F shape. Beautiful shape. Lovely shape. You have done this in few songs already, but you can't recall it again. F, you know the F chord. One important tip here, never use index fingers for the open chords. Because index finger will be used to draw the bass, draw the bar. Like I showed you A chord, index finger is free, so that I can come and make a B. When you did D chord, for example, index is free, and now when you did a C chord, we started with the pinky finger, so I can move up and make a D with a bar chord again. Index has to be spared, so we can quickly convert the chord to a close chord from the open chord. Let's see. Okay. So right now
So
F shape. I'll use these two fingers here. These two fingers. Now if I do F sharp, easy boy. Whoa, ho, ho, got it done. Full bar or mini bar? I will not say mini. Because this index finger has to press the face keys. So no, listen to me. Keep like. Also listen. You don't listen, so you miss the important information. Bar chord, 3-string bar chord. I cannot do 2-string bar chord. Just telling you. Because I have to press the first and the third. Compulsory bar, okay? Let it be. F, F sharp, F sharp or G flat. Am I saying correct? Am I confused? What did I say? F, F sharp, yeah, oh sorry, G. Because I thought G is like this, I suddenly thought, good, G. Now G. Better? Is G? Good enough. Use enough. Depends on what songs I'm using. Open. If I have to do a lot of chords and sharps or flats, I will not take the open chord. I will not play open chords generally speaking. That can be confusing. So I'll take a G like this. In those cases, I might not play the C open. I might play C like this because I might have to play C sharp or a B. So this C might not serve the purpose. Depends on scenario. So right now F, F sharp to G, G sharp, A sharp or B flat, B, C, C sharp or a D flat, D. Quickly, last chord shape. Okay. Last chord shape is a G, which we just discussed. We can make it this way. Derived from F? Yeah, maybe. If not, you can take this, play 3-string chord.
yeah,
Well, don't touch 4-string, it's open string. So this thing, picking. Many songs we have played picking. And it is
yep.
G, A flat, G, F, A,
If
biff, ish or biff, B, C, beautiful C, 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 C or a diff, D. So that's all about the chord shapes. You got to sit down and play every chord in multiple shapes. I'll let you know in the next session the most useful shapes. We don't want to do all the 5 or 4 shapes. We'll do 2 at least. And we can hang around, do all the chords. Alright. See ya. Bye bye.
yeah.